seek a better seat for the nation as a central hub of logistics, the Ministry of Transport through the Department of Highways has been expediting the construction of infrastructural projects to allow nation-sustainable economy growth. The Bangpa-in Nakhon Ratchasima M6 and Bangyai Kanchanaburi M81 Intercity Motorways were initiated by the Cabinet Resolution on July 14, 2015. To pave forward for a new chapter of motorway development. M6, the Bangpa-in Nakhon Ratchasima, the start section of the Bangkok-Nong Khai Intercity Motorway. The route alignment begins at the eastern part of the Bangkok Outer Ring Road or the Kanchanaburi, passing through 3 provinces, and ends at the western Nakhon Ratchasima bypass in the Mueang district of Nakhon Ratchasima province. With a total length of 196 kilometers. Along the route, it locates 9 toll plazas and 8 commercial rest areas. Upon completion, the route will serve as a connection between Bangkok and northeastern part of Thailand and the Indochina region. For M81, the Bangyai Kanchanaburi, the route alignment starts at the intersection of the western Bangkok Outer Ring Road, which locates the Bangyai interchange. The route crosses through 3 provinces and ends at the National Highway number 324 with a total length of 96 kilometers. Along the route, it locates 8 toll plazas and 3 commercial rest areas. After opening to the traffic, the route will serve as a main connection through western and southern regions of Thailand. For the further M81 expansion from the Kanchanaburi to the Banpu Namron Thai-Myanmar border, the project will offer the direct access to Dawei Deep Sea Port. Since the civil work construction of both projects has already begun since 2016, the Department of Highways plans to incorporate private sector investments to motorway facilities, operation and maintenance, or O&M, with the expectation to uplift their service levels. Therefore, the Cabinet, via a resolution on August 22, 2017, has approved the Department of Highways to execute the public-private partnership of O&M for both intercity motorways using the PPP Gross Cost Scheme. The terms and private sector responsibilities are divided in 2 phases as follows. Phase 1. The private party is to undertake design, finance, and construct the motorway facilities in parallel with the civil work construction which carries out by the Department of Highways. Phase 2. The Department of Highways will entrust the private party with the operation maintenance of the entire project, including the civil work constructed by the Department of Highways and system facilities invested by the private party himself, with the periods of no longer than 30 years since the service commencement. With the PPP Gross Cost Scheme, all toll revenue is the right of the Department of Highways, and the private sector operator shall be remunerated for the payment of system installation and their cost of operation and maintenance. The Department of Highways will provide the private sector with opportunities to make use of his knowledge and expertise by introducing new cutting-edge technologies, construction technique, and project management. One shall fulfill and provide the following system requirements: a closed toll collection system, distance-based fee, which accepts cash and electronic payment. The DOH is to encourage the private sector to introduce new technologies, such as the open road tolling system, including the single-lane free flow and multi-lane free flow systems, which promotes traffic flow efficiency of the project, traffic control and management systems for the whole route, truck weight control systems at entrance checkpoints, rescue and response systems to ensure safety and assist users during an emergency period with a guarantee response period, asset management for the entire project, including but not limited to pavement and carriageway repairs, bridges, buildings, landscape, system operation and maintenance, which comply to key performance indicators. For the tender, the Department of Highways schedules the selection process as follows. Invitations to tender in February 2018. Request for proposal RFP sale in March 2018. Bid document preparation and proposal submission by the private sector from March to July 2018. Bid evaluation and negotiation from July to September 2018. Contract draft examination and selection result approval from October to November 2018. Cabinet approval and contract awarding in December of 2018. In light of the above, the Department of Highways would like to invite private sector with knowledge and expertise in infrastructure management and technology to engage in operations and maintenance of both intercity motorways to promote safe and efficient land transport system to international standards. Should you be interested in taking part of the future motorways, a great opportunity is coming your way.